Hello everybody, welcome to EXIM. Embrace the EXIM learning experience. EXIM Bank has announced recruitment for management trainee legal and deputy manager legal post. And I've already discussed the syllabus and exam pattern with you. We'll briefly go through the details of this recruitment in this video. We'll be focusing more on 15-day study plan and preparation strategy for EXIM legal exam in this video. You might already have started your preparation for various exams, or you might be in final year and starting your preparation with EXIM being your first exam. And if you feel stuck, confused how to manage preparation for multiple exams together, how to prepare for EXIM legal along with SEBI legal, IBPS SU law, or any other exam for which you have already started your preparation, you can ask your queries and doubts from me in my workshop tomorrow. I am conducting a free workshop at 4 p.m. tomorrow where I'll be discussing the preparation strategy for legal exams for various law exams together and how to prioritize your preparation for whichever exam is coming first. For example, we know EXIM legal exam will be conducted somewhere in May and all the other exams will be after EXIM. Then how you can prepare for all these exams, how you can strategize your preparation for EXIM legal followed by SEBI legal, PFRDA legal, NIACLAO legal, IBPS SU law, etc. To join this workshop, register using the link present in the description below. Be there in this workshop and I'll try to get all your queries resolved. Now starting with our discussion, you can fill the online application form for EXIM exam from 22nd of March to 15th of April and the exam could be somewhere in May. For management trainee legal, there are 5 posts. For deputy manager legal, there are 4 posts. Coming to eligibility, both require graduation in law. It can be 5-year or 3-year. 60% is the minimum criteria. For deputy manager post, you should have 1-year post-qualification experience. Your age as on 28th February 2025 for management trainee should be maximum 28 and for deputy manager it should be maximum 30. Salary and allowances are also given. For management trainee, you will get a monthly stipend of rupees 65,000, while for deputy manager, your basic pay will be 48,480 with the subsequent increments. Then coming to exam pattern, there is only professional knowledge present, no quant, reasoning, English or GA. The professional knowledge is also subjective. Part 1 has compulsory questions. There is one question. Probably there will be subparts of this question. You have to attempt all questions in part 1. And in part 2, you have to attempt 6 out of 8 questions. The total paper is of 2.5 hours. And it is very much possible that this exam will be in pen paper mode. The questions will appear on the screen and you have to write the answers on the sheets provided. Then coming to the syllabus, this was the syllabus in the last recruitment. I am assuming the syllabus will be more or less the same. New criminal laws may be introduced. Also, FEMA and PMLA may be a part of this syllabus. We have already launched an online course for the preparation of this exam, EXIM Bank Management Trainee and Deputy Manager Legal Online Course. In this, you will find preparation material for all the topics that are mentioned in the syllabus: constitutional law, civil law, law of contracts, corporate law, then few other topics of corporate law which are not common in other exams, then criminal law, banking related laws, other laws and acts, important case laws which can help you in your descriptive answer writing, legal summary sheets which can help you in last minute revisions, and descriptive questions for your practice of descriptive part. In addition to this, I will also add 5 mock tests, out of which 3 will be comprehensively evaluated for you and you will get detailed feedback. So if you need any kind of preparation material, you can check out this course. The link for this course is present in the description below. Now let's move to our study plan and discuss the preparation strategy. This is the EXIM Legal 50-day study plan. You can download this from the description below. In this, you will initially find eligibility, exam pattern details. You can also check out the online course by clicking on this link. Here you only have to study the professional knowledge part. Your quant, reasoning, English, GA is not present in this exam. Only professional knowledge, that too the descriptive portion. So you have to read the laws keeping in mind the descriptive part. You don't have to mug up all the sections. You have to prepare generally what all important areas are there from where descriptive questions can be expected. Yes, you should know the important sections so that you can include them in your answers, but you should generally understand how you can write the descriptive answers. This paper will be slightly different from what you have attempted in your semester exams. There you may have to write long answers, but here you'll have to be to the point and write only the relevant areas. This is the study plan that I am suggesting. You can obviously modify it based on your strengths and weaknesses, based on which topics may need less time for you and may need more time for you. I am suggesting to start with Arbitration Act and Indian Contract Act. You can spend one day 1.5 day in reading the act in detail, and then the rest of the day in practicing descriptive questions. I'm assuming you'll be giving somewhere 6 to 8 hours on a daily basis. Given that you don't have to study QREGA, you will be focusing most of your time on the law portion. Then on day 3, day 4, you can study Indian Contract Act. Day 5, you can study SURFACI Act and practice descriptive questions. This is a very important topic. It has a separate heading in the syllabus, so you can expect question from SURFACI Act. Then RBI Act is also important. Integrated Ombudsman Scheme and RDBFI. These are very small laws, so you can just go through them. RBI Act may get extended to day 7 a little bit, so you can accordingly adjust the time. Then 2 days to Banking Regulation Act, 2 days to Negotiable Instrument Act, then moving to Transfer of Property Act and IBC. So you can check out the study plan, download this and try to follow this. If you're not able to finish the topic in the mentioned timeline, then you can extend it by a day or two, but try to stick to the plan, and in this way you will be able to cover up your entire syllabus in 6 weeks. That is in the beginning of May, and then you can focus on your revision. You can also check out the course link from here, Bank and Insurance PSU Legal Exams. Here the first exam is EXIM Legal Online course. You can check out the course by clicking on this link. Download the study plan, keep it in front of you and try to follow it. I'm again saying, if you have any questions, any doubts, you can join this workshop tomorrow and get all your queries resolved. Register using the link present in the description below. That's all for now. Wish you all the best for your preparation. Thank you so much for watching this video. Enroll with EXIM and make your preparation 50% faster. Subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned.